In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, you'll discover exactly how to add videos to your LearnWorlds courses step by step. If you've ever struggled with uploading or organizing your content, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate videos into your courses with ease, saving time and effort in your course creation process. The first thing you'll need to do is access your course editor. Once you're in the back end of your LearnWorlds platform, navigate to the course where you'd like to add the video. You'll see an option to edit the course, and from here, you can customize the structure, content, and multimedia components. Adding videos to your course is crucial for delivering engaging learning experiences, so it's important to do this the right way. Next, you can click on a specific section or lesson where you want to include your video. From the lesson editor, you'll see a wide range of options to enhance the learning experience, including text, quizzes, and media elements. To add a video, you just need to click the Add Media button and select Video from the menu. Now, let's get into uploading the actual video. You have a few options here. You can either upload a video directly from your computer, which is the most straightforward way, or you can embed a video from an external platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If you're uploading from your computer, just choose the file, drag it into the uploader, and wait for the video to load. Make sure your video file is in a compatible format, like MP4, for the smoothest process. The fourth thing you should consider is the video settings. Once your video is uploaded or embedded, you can customize how it appears in your course. You can add a title, a description, and even set up a thumbnail to make it more appealing. This can significantly boost engagement by giving learners a clear idea of what the video covers and how it fits into the overall course content. If you want to organize your videos in a more structured way, consider adding them to a specific module or lesson group. This helps students navigate through your course more easily and ensures they have a clear path to follow. The drag and drop feature makes reordering videos simple, so you can create a seamless learning experience without hassle. Finally, make sure to test everything before publishing. Preview your video, check that it plays smoothly, and ensure that all settings are correct. There's nothing worse than publishing a course and realizing the video doesn't work as expected. Take the time to review everything thoroughly. Now, before I wrap up, I want to mention that while LearnWorlds is a powerful tool for course creators, there are some limitations. For example, their video integration options can be a bit restrictive if you're looking for deeper customization or advanced video features. If you're seeking a more flexible platform with better media options and more control, stay tuned because I'll recommend an alternative that might just be a better fit for your needs. At the end of the day, LearnWorlds is great for basic video integration, but if you want more advanced features and customization, there are other platforms that provide a better overall experience. I'll link to a competitor down below, offering an extended free trial through our link. This software has some amazing alternatives for what you're trying to achieve with your course videos. By using our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and special benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're serious about enhancing your course creation process with the best video tools, click the link in the description to get started with your free trial and see how these alternatives can elevate your learning platform.